What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we are going to go over these headlights. Now, not these headlights, but headlights that I just bought from Amazon, and we are going to be replacing our old headlights. Now, I tried to use this spray by Rust-Oleum. It's a clear spray. It worked a little bit, but unfortunately for these headlights, they are like rotting out. You can see they cracking and everything. So these headlights are done. All right, like completely done. We are going to go ahead and take these off, and then we'll put the new ones on. I bought these around 2018. I bought them from a website called Car ID. There you go. So it lasted for that long. Now we have a new pair that we have. So I have a 10mm socket. I'm about to take these two screws out of here, and I think that should be it. Headlights don't last forever, you guys, and these probably are not restorable, so new headlights don't cost that much. So there's a little lip right here. You take it off of there, and then it should scoot on out. So there we go. Pulled it right on out. So with mine, it's two screws. It pulls right on out, you guys, but you will have to put some force in it. I don't know if I told y'all, but this is 2007, you guys. So whatever generation, I believe it's 2007 to 2014, but do your research to make sure you buy the right stuff and to make sure you uninstalling this thing right through the right generation of car. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew all of these bulbs. So I have this bulb here. This goes in the middle. Pull out. So is this the blinker? Which one of these is the blinker, you guys? Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. I don't know. This bulb seems fine. All right, you guys. So we're here with the new headlight, and you can tell the difference. You have new and you have old. All right. Might do a cool thumbnail, maybe. I did a thumbnail on my Mercury Sable a long time ago, but I will have to back up a little bit. Anyways, that's blah, blah, blah. So we are going to take the beauty protection off. Definitely we'll see how long these will last. All right, it's not new no more, you guys. All right, so what we're gonna do is put all of our lights back on. We have to take these covers off, little tape covers. All right, that's 1, 2, and then 3. All right, so for the ones that don't know how you put these on, you have to put it in the middle, and then you see these little lips right there. Don't know if you can see it too well, but you have to like put it in those lips and then turn it to where it locks in. All right, it's kind of hard to explain, but you'll probably get the hang of it once you do it. That's the new push that. Let's see it. There we go. It's in. A little bit of oomph. You gotta push it. Good to go. The light will definitely be brighter. And then compared to this. Y'all see the difference, right? Yep, y'all see the difference. All right, so let me go ahead and take out the other one. right, you guys, and the headlights are finished. And I have to say that everything looks good, you guys. Even during the night, when you turn your lights on, it is very bright now. All right, with all that junk that was in front of the old headlights, it seemed kind of dim. So everything is good to go now. And maybe I'll give y'all a yearly update, or somebody might comment on the video saying it's been a year, what's the update? So somebody might send a comment like that, and I will always update y'all. So hopefully this lasts as long as the other ones, about 5 to 6 years, and that will be good. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.